Hi friends, today I'm going to talk about the helmets and how you can maintain your helmet into top conditions. We all clean our helmets from outside, use various products to keep the inside hygienic, but there is one important thing that maybe you can or a trick that you can do to keep your helmet into top shape. This is about the rubber parts, like for example this rubber seal which seals the visor. This also needs to be maintained, and there is one trick that you can use to keep this rubber part into top condition, and for that matter all the rubber parts. So with this Aria helmet there is this silicone lubricant that comes, so we can use this silicone lubricant to lubricate this rubber seal, and this will keep it soft and moist and will keep it and will prevent it from being hardening and then eroding with the time. So you can use this. Let me show you how to apply this. So you can use this silicone lubricant to lube the rubber portion. So I'm going to show you how I use it. So what you can do is just gently use it here, press it along the line of the rubber part, let it go, let it go, let it go, here. I'm going to use it on the entire rubber seal. First I'm going to apply it like this, and then I am going to keep it here and then spread it with my finger. Just use gently and then you can spread this with your finger on the complete rubber seal. It is important that it goes on the entire part. So just spread it with your finger, which is a good thing. In the end I am going to tell you a replacement for this silicone lubricant in case this did not come with your helmet, because I know Aria provides it. There are other manufacturers also which provide this lubricant, silicone lubricant, with their helmets, but if you don't get it, then also there is nothing to worry. At the end I am going to tell you what you can use as a replacement to keep your rubber parts in healthy condition. So once you have used it, here all the rubber parts, it is important that we remove the excess. So once it is applied, once I am sure it has been applied everywhere, like you can see, so I have applied it here as well and then here as well. I'll use one clean cloth and then just wipe it down. Just wipe down the excess so that there is no excess. Just remove the excess. Make sure it is removed. I'm sure this is removed. Okay, so now it is completely lubricated. Now this will help to keep the rubber seal soft, and it will give me a good grip with the visor without any leaks. So it will give me a good seal. Okay, now so in case you don't get this silicone lubricant, so this is the silicone lubricant. This came in with this Aria helmet. This is the Aria RX7 GP. So in case you don't get this, what can you do? Okay, our trusty old Vaseline. You can use this Vaseline as well to lubricate in case this rubber parts on your helmet, in case it didn't come with your helmet. So this is a good replacement. You can use it. I have been using this also in case I don't find this, because this is a very tiny bottle. So hopefully friends you like the video. Thank you so much. Please show your love by subscribing and liking. Thank you.